Hi, I'm Carolyn Williams, award-winning dietitian and lead nutritionist for CookingLikeDiet.com. Holidays have wrapped, kids have gone back to school, and now we're inundated with all kinds of diets on how we can meet our New Year's resolutions. And everyone seems to have an opinion: low fat, low carb, keto. But as it turns out, it may actually not matter the type of diet, but rather the type of food. In fact, a 2018 study found that what really mattered was eating whole, less processed foods and doing more of your cooking at home. In the study, both overweight men and women were divided into two groups. One group ate a healthy, low-fat diet. The other group ate a healthy, low-carb diet. While the amounts of carbs and fats were vastly different between the two groups, there were some similarities. Both groups were told to emphasize whole, less processed foods, particularly vegetables, to limit refined grains, added sugars, and trans fats, and to do as much food preparation at home as possible. The results? It may be the food quality that matters a lot more than the type of diet. So what if you took a different approach this year to healthy eating and meeting your New Year's resolution goals? Rather than cutting out a food group, counting your fat grams or net carbs, what if you just focused on whole, real food and doing a little more cooking at home?
We rarely go out, and I don't miss going out. I think one of the biggest things too with the Cooking Light diet is that time after work now is just such a great way to relax. I've always liked cooking. It's definitely a diet for people who like cooking. And we get to spend that time in the kitchen and talking about our day. And you know, he's a great sous chef. He helps chop, prep, just keep me company. It's just been really easy to integrate into our day-to-day, and really I think it's made it easier.
The idea of just eating whole, less processed, real food, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, healthy fats, and just doing a little simple meal prep sounds pretty good. Ultimately, that may be the key to success for meeting your New Year's resolutions goals. From the Cooking Light Diet Test Kitchens, I'm Carolyn Williams.